Hello again. As we know from the previous session, each report can be printed individually from MS Project. In order to complete print for the project, you must know that there is a tasks and there is a graph here. From File, you can go to Print. After that, select your printer and there is a setting for print. First question, do you want to print the complete project? So you will use this print entire project from start to finish, or print specific dates. During these dates you will find some tasks and you will just print these tasks. Second, print specific pages. You have number of pages and you can see if this project, for example, can be printed just only in 5 pages and you wanted the second page, so you can select the second page. This is depend on the number of tasks in the project. Also, from print custom dates and pages, you can customize number of pages you need to print, also the dates for the tasks. Here you can find the orientation of the printed page to be portrait or landscape. Always I prefer landscape. From here you can find paper size letter A3, A4. Okay, I choose here A3. Page setup. If you just go to page setup, you can find pages, portrait or landscape. To adjust the scale, you maybe need to be about 80% from the normal size or fit to. This is mean number of pages which will contain the complete tasks of the project. Other size, you can select also the size for paper. Margin, this is the margin, it's customized margin or without margin totally. Header, you have a header, you can put a text or put a number of pages. From general here, you can select page number, total page count, project title, so it will be appeared, or page number. Okay, and just press added, so this is the page number will be appeared. Otherwise you can just select and delete. Footer, you can find here there is a left footer, there is a center footer, there is right footer. In center footer you can find page of pages. This is mean the total number of pages for the project. Legend, you can find there is left legend, center legend, right legend. On left legend you can find project title, okay, and the date. If the project title is look like that, this is mean you will see the project title on this way. Return it back to page setup, legend, left legend, just enter here. Now it's moved one row down. Again, return to page setup, view, print all sheets and column, or here select to print the first 3 column. Print notes, if you selected it, it will be printed. Print blank pages, if there is a blank pages, I don't prefer to print it. Fit time scale to end of the project. Print entire project. Now we have one page have all tasks for the project and the graph from the start to the end of the project. and just press print. Now you have your printed project. Thank you for your attention and see you in next sessions.